Hey guys, I am spending the weekend in Baler, so I'm gonna be checking out all of the awesome food that they have to offer. Starting off this food trip with the good. This burger looks so good. There's cheese in the patty, and tomatoes and onions. This burger is so good. It's not the easiest thing in the world to eat, but it tastes so good. The cheese inside the patty is just oozing out, and it tastes like Mexico. I don't know why that's what I thought of, but it tastes like Mexico in a burger. It's amazingly good, and at 160 pesos, I think that's such a good price. My French fries has arrived.
Good. Yeah.
Love French fries. They're so good. So I just ordered burgers from the Good Food, and now I'm getting a mango buko shake from Daniel's Buko Shake. This is so good. The fruits are so fresh here. Now I'm at Dialin's Bake Shop for some dessert. I've never been here before, so I'm super excited to try out as much as I can. So I got dulce de leche, and I got blueberry cheesecake. This is the dulce de leche. It's so good. It tastes like fluffy and creamy caramel. That's what it tastes like. It's so good. This is the blueberry cheesecake. So good. I actually like it even better than the dulce de leche. The blueberry cheesecake tastes so good. It's not overly sweet. It has really good cheese flavor and blueberry flavor. Super good. You guys, I just got a kiwi cupcake because they said that this is their best seller, so I'm super excited to try it out. Let's try it out.
Mas delikado kung bumababa ako. Kasi pag may tawag, nakalimutan mo na bumababa ka na.
That is so good. I'm not even a fan of kiwi, but this is amazing. There's like a cream cheese frosting on top, and the kiwi seeds are all over the cupcake. It's so good, you guys. Definitely a must try. Now we're having breakfast at a surf house Baler. This is the breakfast that came with our room. So I'm having scrambled eggs with rosemary focaccia bread, some fruit, and what is this? Suman. We're having some suman. And it comes with a side of peanut butter and coconut jam. So basically you just mix and match everything. Yeah, that's basically how this breakfast is. You just mix and match everything however you like. But I really like it. It's super fun to just try like focaccia bread with coconut jam, then you add like some form of fruit like a banana on top. I don't know, it's fun. It's like a fun, like creative breakfast. Yeah. I'm back at the Good Food, and I also got another shake from Daniel's Buko Bar. This one is Buko Melon. Yeah. It's really, really good, you guys. Like everything I get from this place is just so good. So that's why I wanted this to be my last meal here in Baler. I ordered a beef burrito, cheese quesadilla, and fish tacos. So I'm super excited to try all of these. I really tried to order something new so that I could try as much as I can from the menu. This burrito is so good. It has rice pilaf, beef, lettuce, salsa, and the flavor is just so good. I loved it from the first bite. It just tastes so good. I don't know how else to describe it, but there's just so much flavor in it. It just tastes so good. This cheese quesadilla is super good. It has a good balance of nice melted cheese, and the bread thing is crunchy and it's cooked really well. And the balance of the cheese with the vegetables is also really good. This fish taco is also really good. The fish is cooked perfectly and it has a nice tangy but also a spicy sauce, and it has tons of veggies and salsa. Super good. I like this also so much. Next up, I'm heading on over to Charlie Does for some dessert. So I'm gonna try the banana pie with custard. Wow, this is so good. It's like a banana cream crumble with vanilla ice cream, and it tastes so good together. It tastes so homey and so sweet, and you get a crunch from the crumble. It's so good. I think it's the perfect way to end the meal.